My name is Yang. Today you will learn Kabuto. Very easy and cool. But you need to learn scissor cut first. So you start with the straddle grip, then you push the top card, move the thumb, slide it back, and you will need to use the skin part of the thumb to split a new packet. Then you do scissor cut. Curl the thumb, close the cup.
What should I combo my Kabuto with? What should my other hand do?
Any twirl or any spin move like Lego Love or Flicker classic twirl.
Hey Yang, do you have any ideas for how to make my Kabuto look better?
I think you should pay attention to the hand motion. So when you do Kabuto, you should rotate your wrist like this, and then this, and then close it.
If I don't do it like that, then how does it like?
It looks like this. Still good.
The other way? Oh, so there's a small packet that sort of appears there. That's really cool. Alright, thank you Yang.
Bye. Thank you for learning Kabuto. If you need help, just find me on Instagram.
Bye bye.